So let's get started with our Yuca Al Escabeche. Here are yuca, also known as cassava, salt, garlic powder, olive oil, white vinegar, onion, red bell pepper, fresh garlic. So let's get started. First, we are going to start by peeling our yuca, also known as cassava root, right? So we are making a cut right through the skin, right in the middle. And then with the tip of your knife, you start peeling away your skin. You know, different yuca that you buy is going to be different. A lot of times I'm able to peel it off so easily with the knife. This one, for some reason, you know, it's being a little harder to pull away. And also, sometimes they sell your yuca already frozen, peeled and frozen in the freezer section in your Spanish supermarket. So you can also check that out, okay, if you don't want to go through these steps. So here I am peeling away. You know, you're going to have a little bit of patience till you get it, you know, you get used to doing this. Also, guys, if you have not liked this video yet, go ahead and press that like button for me. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. I have a lot of international recipes coming your way, desserts, drinks. So don't waste your time of not subscribing. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So now we are going, I went ahead also and I cut my cassava pieces in half the long way. And now I'm seasoning the water with salt and garlic powder. And then we're going to put this to boil on medium low until they tender. While my yuca is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my veggies for the vinaigrette. So first I am cutting, slicing my onion, and you know, you could add more or you could do less. It's up to you. You make this recipe your own, like I always say. I'm just showing you what I've been doing for my family for years, right? Here I am cutting my red bell pepper, and now here I mash the fresh garlic with a little bit of salt, and now I'm gonna continue to add the rest of the ingredients so we could make this wonderful vinaigrette. So here I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white vinaigrette. You add as much as you want or less. And I'm adding my olive oil. As you can see, it's only a few ingredients for this recipe. It is very simple but very delicious, I promise you. So here our yuca is cooked, right? And you see that vein right there in the middle? I am going to remove each one of them. We don't want that. You see that? And I'm going to do that to each one of them. Sorry if the camera is shaking a little bit. I'm holding the camera with one hand and cooking with the other hand. I'm trying to show you the process close up. So as you can see next to it, I am prepping my vinaigrette. I am cooking this in medium low, making sure all those ingredients dance together and marinate. So when you get ready to add the yuca, it's already a bunch of flavors, all right? So here we are about to add the yuca to the vinaigrette. You know, as soon as that onion is translucent, pretty much your vinaigrette is ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, and pretty much this recipe is pretty much done. Right now, I'm adding some parsley flakes. If you have fresh, you could add fresh, or some people even add cilantro. But pretty much this recipe is finished. Now I'm just going to go ahead and turn it to get those parsley flake blended. And you have the yuca and escabeche. And this recipe is really good. And you could pair it up with some fish, with pork, with chicken. If you're vegetarian, you know, with whatever protein you choose to eat it with is going to be wonderful, or you could just eat it by itself. It's plenty of time. I just sit and eat it by itself and enjoy. All right, guys. And I want to thank you very much for stopping by. And don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you on the next recipe.